Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today, we'll be making avocado toast. This simple meal is something anybody can whip up in the kitchen. I'm going to start off by cutting my great tomatoes. You can use whatever tomatoes you have on hand or use no tomatoes at all. I'm going to season my tomatoes with cracked pepper and Himalayan salt. I'm going to add cucumbers and cut those into fourths. Don't forget to season your avocado. Some salt, some cracked pepper, and I'm going to use a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to make one with avocado slices. I'm going to cut it down a few times, and then I'm going to scoop it out with a spoon. Don't forget your lemon to keep that avocado fresh and green, and that lemon juice will give it a great taste. Are you ready? Here we go. Look at that. Don't those look great? They look amazing. Let's check this out. Yeah, that's awesome. I could eat this every day. If you make these, let me know in the comment section below. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.